everyone, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new, my name is Ashley. So we have a bug exterminator coming today. He was supposed to be coming tomorrow, so it's last minute. I was gonna film a speed cleaning for you guys anyways, so I'm just gonna like put myself on the clock. I probably have about 25 minutes. The house is a disaster, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done before he gets here. I thought this would just be a fun video the day before Thanksgiving, so if you guys are needing some cleaning motivation before your guests arrive. So let's get straight on into today's video.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out.
Okay, and here is a final look at this room. I'm leaving like all the lights on and doors open. I pulled this out so he can spray in the closet. So it's a little bit different style clean, but I'm just trying to get everything that looks like a hot mess put together, like the bed. It already makes the room feel so much better.
Not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words go.
Okay, I have my bedroom completely done, which feels so much better, but now I need to work on my kitchen. Basically, my kitchen sink is full of dirty dishes, and I'd really love to get those in the dishwasher before he comes and sprays in here. But of course, my dishwasher's full. It's clean, so I'm gonna unload that, put in the dirty dishes, and wipe down all the countertops.
Trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind. Out of my mind. Out of my mind. Yeah. For you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you, for you, my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Okay, I'm glad I got all this area picked up. I normally save my floors for last, but I have no idea how much time I have before he's gonna be here. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floors real fast. There's just a lot of crumbs and dirt and all that before he sprays. I wanna just go ahead and have it all vacuumed up. So that's what I'm gonna work on next.
I don't wanna waste no time no more, 'cause I can't get you out of my mind. I can't live without your love for sure. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah. I'm going out of my mind. Because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me on. Because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me on.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this mystic cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind.
What you doing, George? Did you find a nice little spot underneath there? You're so silly. Okay, sorry, my washer's on, so if it's loud, I tried to shut both doors. I'm gonna work on my daughter's room. There's not a ton I can do in here. I've gotta be running out of time. He's gotta be coming soon. But if I can get this room picked up and vacuumed, then I'll at least feel better with what everything else has gotten done. But let's see, how much more can I get done before that doorbell rings?
Maybe one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it
Okay, so I got Savannah's like room and closet picked up, and then he showed up, so I didn't get to vacuum. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and finish up by vacuuming in there. I need to go ahead and switch over the laundry. I'm gonna finish up this speed clean because there was stuff I needed to get done anyways before we leave the house. So go ahead and stick with me, but he did show up. But I was really thankful with all the areas that I did get cleaned up before, because you know, with bug guys, they're like everywhere. They go everywhere. So, okay, back to Savannah's room. Okay, my beauty room is a disaster. I moved her out so he could kind of spray in here, and I pushed my clothes. I also pulled up my chair, so if anything I pull forward, he'll like spray behind. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed clean this room real quickly. It shouldn't take long, but it does just kind of look like a hot mess until I put everything back.
hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have some cleaning motivation and your house is nice and sparkly, especially before all your friends and family arrive tomorrow. And I hope you guys have just a wonderful holiday. Just a reminder, we will not have a vlog over on our vlog channel on Thursday just because it is Thanksgiving, but we will be posting our Black Friday shopping on Friday. So we're gonna stay up late Thursday and shop and edit and have a good time. So that will be there for you Friday morning. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll have both channels right here. All you have to do is click on them to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.